All right, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and use the Buildr AI software. So the first thing you need to do is download that plugin from this page here. That will download as a zip file. You leave that exactly as it is. Then you're going to go to your website and log into your WordPress admin area. From there, we're going to go to plugins, add new. We're going to choose upload plugin. Then we're going to choose that zip file that we just downloaded. And then once we have that, we're going to click install now, and it will install the plugin on our site. So from there, we're just going to simply activate the plugin. And once we activate it, we will see the Buildr software down here. So before we use the software, we're going to need to go into the settings. We're going to need to go into the settings here, and we're going to have to add in our OpenAI API key and also our Pixabay API key. So to get your OpenAI API key, we have a link down below that will send you to the OpenAI API. From there, you can either log into your account or create an account to get your API key. Now, one thing to keep in mind with the OpenAI API is that once you're inside your account, you want to make sure and go up here to settings, and then we're going to go to billing. And you want to make sure you have added a payment method. So the API is a pay as you go. You only pay for what you use, but you do need to have a payment method in there, and you need to add some funds to your account. So you can go right here to add a credit balance, add some money to your account, and then it'll just deduct from that as you use. And it is very, very low cost to use. You're literally going to be paying pennies each time you use it. So if you add 10 or 20 bucks, that will last you quite a while. But in order for it to work, you do need to have a payment method and a credit balance in there. So once you've done that, just go ahead and add your API key in here. And for Pixabay, that allows us to get free images. So you just get an API key, which is free. We have a link down below as well. So I like to use the GPT-4o, which is the newest one. And for the chat GPT temperature, it goes from 0 to 1. 1 will give you the most random content, and 0 will be the least random. So I'm just going to put it right in the middle. So once we have all that done, we simply click save, and then we can go to the product review screen. So here is how you set up your reviews. All you need to do is add a product name and your ClickBank affiliate link. So I'm just going to go to ClickBank here and go to the affiliate marketplace, and I'm just going to choose the top offers. So let's say I want to do my site based around weight loss. The number one option here is Java Burn. So if I want to use that, I simply click on this promote button. I choose my nickname and I get my affiliate link. So here is my affiliate link. I'm just going to copy that. And then all we need to do in here is enter in the name of the product. So this one is Java Burn, and my affiliate link is right here. And then I click generate, and it will create that content for me. Now, again, if you hit generate and you get an error message, the number one reason for that would be you didn't add a payment method and you didn't add funds to your API account. So you can go do that and it should work just fine then. So while this creates the content, we can add an image. So for example, I could do weight loss. I could search for an image. And let's say I use this one right here. So now that will be my featured image. If you have your own image you want to use, simply click upload image, and you can upload your own image as well. And then we also just need to give it a post title. So I'll put Java Burn review. Will it work for you? Down here, our content has been generated. So you can see anywhere it says Java Burn, which is the product name, it's going to link that with our affiliate link. So our affiliate link is already in here throughout the content, and it's all set to go. So all we do is hit create article, and we're done. That article has been added to our site. Now again, we can repeat this process as much as we want. We can review as many products as we want as well. And also, you aren't just limited to ClickBank products. You could put in any product name here, any affiliate link, and you could do it as well. So I could do, let's say, an Amazon product. I just put the name of the Amazon product, my Amazon affiliate link, and I could create content for that as well. Again, you're not limited to ClickBank. We did kind of set this up geared towards ClickBank, but in reality, you can put any product name and any affiliate link. So that post was created. If I go here and take a look at it, you will see it puts it right in the editor screen. Here's our featured image, and we can come in here and make any edits we want. So if we want to add some content, remove some things, add some images, it's just your standard WordPress editor, and you can edit any of those. Now, if I go back to settings, you also see we have the custom ads where it's ads before content and ads after content. So you can put any ad in here you want. You could put a banner ad, you could put links to other products you want to sell. But the way these work is anything you put in these boxes will show up on each page on your site. So for example, if I look at the post I just created, you'll see right here is the top ad test and the bottom ad test. So again, whatever I put in these ad boxes, that ad will show throughout my site. So you don't have to sit there and go and add them to each individual post. It'll add them all, and it'll also add it to any new posts you create as well. So again, we set this up to be as easy to use as possible so anyone can get their affiliate site up. And again, all you need to do, put in a product name, an affiliate link, and you're set. Now, if you put in a product name and the software tells you it doesn't know what that is, you just need to add a little bit more to it. So for example, one product I found was called Sugar Defender. Now that's not a real descriptive product name, so there's a good chance ChatGPT won't know exactly what product we're referring to. So I'm just gonna run it here and see what it gives me back. Okay, so actually it did bring back the correct product. I thought maybe that would be too common of a name for ChatGPT to know what it is. It did work. Now let's say, for example, it didn't work and it didn't know what product we're referring to. We can just add a little more description to the product name. So for example, I could put Sugar Defender, blood sugar support, which I just got off of their listing here, Sugar Defender, blood sugar support. So again, if you don't get a article back on the product you were looking for, just extend the product name a little bit to give ChatGPT a little more information of what exactly you are referring to. But again, that's all there is to do with the software. It's as easy as possible. Just add a name, an affiliate link, create your article, and you're all set to go. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and you can go ahead and get your site created.